tongo takok tai bokok sungno tei kaisa video tini video chung nuklainai central ni job notification abongkha State Bank of India ni phaising tui recruitment naharjaknai aro naharjaknai tamo post mane koita vacancies tong aborok pura tini details khaibai nailainai naitongdi choyawai video no puila chimung paithakjora abongkha State Bank of India belai ni job kaham nirokni bagui belai ni koktwma kaham chokpaikha State Bank of India ni phaising tui oro naharjaknai recruitment of junior associate customer support and sales aboni bagui naharjaknai online register cholinai 17 December 2024 থেকে 7 তারিখ জানুয়ারি 2025 jora online application haikeba registration cholenai ke tabuk online application cholaini tongkha ke nirok online registration khaiwi apply khai narokbadi ke jottoni bagui koktwma kaham beshi din korikha 14-15 din tongsibu ke aro toma post haikeba koita vacancies tong aro details chung naiman lainai category wise tei state wise khaiwi rajak tongo chung nailainai basically nailainai Tripura ni state ni no twiwi no nailaisnai ke aro chung scroll down khainai Tripura o aro nirok nugui mankha Tripura ni tongo total Tripura o tongo 65 vacancies jagao chini ST rokni bagui alada vacancies khaiwi rajak tongo chini ST rokni bagui tongo aro 20 vacancies all over India o tongo chini ST ni vacancies 1385 ta chini all over India o tongo 1385 ST rokni bagui obo haikhe notification lamukjak hingke nirok daiti khaiwi registration khai narokdi aro tongo age limit mane o job ni bagui apply khainani bagui age limit nangnai 20 years theke 28 years joratui apply khaiwi mannai aboni bisingo relaxation tongnai SC ST rokni bagui 5 year relaxation tei OBC rokni bagui 3 years relaxation abo haikhe joto relaxation manai o notification no nirok download khaiwi naiwi mannai ani o video description o link rojak hingke haikhe nirok website o thangui download khaiwi kaham khe naiwi mannai hingke ang short khaiwi oro phunuknai nirok kaham khe buchui naidi oro tongnai chini selection process first o tongnai phase 1 tongnai preliminary examination jagao syllabus rojak tongnai English language tongnai 30 question 30 mark 20 minutes ni bisingo numeric ability tongnai 35 question 35 mark 20 minute tei tongnai aro reasoning ability 35 question 35 mark 20 minute abo haikhe 100 questions 100 mark ni preliminary examination marnai 1 hours khaibai nge preliminary exam crack haikaba selection khanke main exam arnai phase 2 main exam ni syllabus tongora 1 number tong general financial awareness tongnai 50 question 50 mark general english tongnai 40 question 40 mark quantitative aptitude tongnai 50 question 50 mark reasoning ability and computer aptitude tongnai 50 question 50 60 mark abhaike total 190 question tongnai 200 mark ni main exam marinai ge exam ni medium haikaba exam ni language lekhai mananira achini tripura ni bagui aro tongo english hindi bengali abhaike lekhai nira exam o raimanai nira english by ke english medium by english raimanai te hindi medium hindi by raimanai te bengali by bu raimanai bank ni job ni bagui ke belai ni chiri bagui koktama kaham bengali medium kangke bengali by exam raimanai ban yagulo arachung main siwani muchukmani kangke salary job ni bagui salary busukhe mannai salary mannai 24,050 abo haikhai mannai gebelai ni salary kaham total starting basic pay mannai 26,730 abo haikhe manai mannai 26,730 abo haikhe basic pay mannai hingke belai no salary kaham or job no manon kangke belai ni kaham ungnai haini bagui joto register khaidi exam ready ge aro tongphio chini application fee nangnai SC ST PWD rokni bagui kono application fee nangya chini ST rokni bagui application fee nangya general OBC EWS rokni bagui hingkangke 750 mane 750 taka application fee marinai tei bora nangnai education qualification nangnai graduation in any discipline jekunu graduate khaijang kangke arni bagui eligible ungnai arts commerce science abahai joto graduation angkhe job ni bagui eligible ungnai ke joto no try khai exam raimanai ke chini bagui belai ni koktoma kaham abono miss ta khaibe hinai ang koinai ge aro teibo chini details rojak tongo preliminary exam nai February 2025 o 2025 ni February month o preliminary exam nai ke preliminary exam crack haikaba qualify wngkangke main exam marinai main exam ni date rojak date haikaba months rojak tongo 2025 ni March haikaba April o months ni bisingo no main exam angnai nei notification rojakka hingke aboni bagui ni rok full details regular siwani bagui hingke bank ni website o thangui ni rok details hai mannai aro website tongo bank.sbi/web/career/current opening abo haikhe website rojak teibo tongo aro www.sbi.co.in o website o thangkangkhe niro details sai mannai Tinini video asung nangnai video no sajakoi tongkhangkhe like khairidi tei ani o channel o katal naiwi tongkhangkhe subscribe khainadi tei be omo hai katal katal job ni notification manani bagwi. Tinini bagwi asung nangkha jotono hambai.